Good morning and happy Friday. So I'm so excited because today is the day that you get to find out all the sounds that you guessed. So hopefully a lot of you put in your papers. I'm grading them as we speak, and I will make sure that you get your points and your name gets put in the jar. But I'm so excited to share what sounds they were. So here we go. We're going to start with sound number 1. So there it goes, guys. Those were the true sounds that you heard. Thank you for participating and being mindful with your ears. Remember, listening to sounds and focusing on them can take our mind off of our feelings that might be trying to take over. So it's a really good idea for mindfulness to just be in the moment. Also, if you are having a moment of being nervous or scared or whatever, if you can do things by reminding yourself of where you are right now at this time and that you're not in danger. So listening to things, seeing things, we've already talked about seeing, we've already talked about listening, being mindful helps us to remember that we are safe right now. We're here in this place. We don't need to worry about the future. We don't need to worry about the past. And we just need to think about what's going on right now and doing our best in this very moment. So thank you for being mindful with me. Thank you for having such a good attitude and having a fun Friday with me. And I will see you next week. Bye, guys.